Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to get sticker on WhatsApp. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to get sticker on WhatsApp, all you need to do is simply tap open your WhatsApp app. So once you're into your WhatsApp, you will be redirected to this kind of interface. So simply tap open any of the chat you want to chat with. So once you open it, you can find a smiley like emoji on your message section. So simply tap on it and there you can find different emojis and stickers that can be sent to your person whom you are chatting with. So you can even go in the GIF section beside the smiley, or go to the avatar section to create your own stickers, or you can even copy paste anything and make it into a sticker and send it to that person. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.